Hello guys, I am Jugnesh and welcome to my channel The Honest Yatri. Today I'm going to take you straight into the heart of Hyderabad, the Charminar and Mecca Masjid. This is not just a vlog, it's a mix of travel tips, crazy crowds, amazing history and of course chai that will steal the show. Stick around till the end and you will thank me later. I started from Gachibowli, hopped onto the metro station at Raidurg, changed lanes at Amirpet, and then reached MG Bus metro station. The whole trip took me around an hour, and the ticket was 61 rupees. Yeah, 61. Weird number, right? In Mumbai, it's always 60 or 65, easy to give change. Here, they wanted exact rupees 1, and luckily I had a coin, otherwise, I would be still arguing at the counter. One thing I noticed is an entire metro coach reserved for senior citizens. Not just few seats, but the entire section. In Mumbai, only a few seats are reserved. What do you think? Should every metro city do this? Let me know in the comments. I love walking whenever I travel. It saves my money and you discover hidden corners. But Hyderabad heat is no joke. So I walked till Afzalganj and then took a shared rickshaw to Charminar. Cost me just rupees 20, not bad. Finally, Charminar. I had heard this place is super crowded, but wow, nothing prepares you for this madness. Hawkers, snack stalls, street vendors, there's literally no space to walk. It's a beautiful chaos, but I do think that management needs to organize things a little bit. And then came my first hurdle. Bags are not allowed inside Charminar. I only had a water bottle and a lunchbox. Still, the security guy refused to let me in. I spent almost 30 minutes searching for a locker, going from shop to shop. Some shopkeepers just sent me from one place to another, but one kind shopkeeper finally helped me. He told me that I could keep my bag at the nearby masjid for 20 rupees. God bless such people. Entry fee inside Charminar is 20 for Indians, and for foreigners it is slightly higher. The staircase inside is narrow and uneven. Some steps are taller, some shorter, so climb very carefully. Once you reach at the top, the view of old Hyderabad is insane. A complete 360-degree view of market, traffic, and this beautiful city. A quick history lesson: Charminar was built in 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Qulib Qutb Shah. The story goes that he built it to celebrate the end of a deadly plague and to mark the foundation of Hyderabad. Char means 4, Minar means tower. Each corner has a 56-meter high minaret. Inside, there was once a mosque and madrasa. For over 400 years, this has been the heartbeat of the city. If you love photography, this place is gold. The bustling Lad Bazaar, the old city architecture, and the energy of Hyderabad packed all in one frame. They let you through one minar and exit through another, so there's a smooth flow of visitors. Next stop, Mecca Masjid. Just a short walk away. I had already kept my bag here, but you also need to leave your shoes outside. 10 rupees for that. This is one of the largest mosques in India and it can hold up to 10,000 worshippers at once. It is called Mecca Masjid because bricks from Mecca were used in the central arch. Construction started in 1617 under Muhammad Qutb Shah and was completed by Aurangzeb in 1694. That's 77 years of hard work and around 8,000 workers. Those massive granite arches you see, each one was carved out of a single slab of stone. Standing here, you feel the weight of the history. And to wrap up this trip, I had to stop at Nimraha Cafe right next to the Charminar. Their bun maska and chai is legendary. Extra milk, extra strong. If you are a tea lover, you simply can't miss this place. After that, I took a rickshaw to Afzalganj, walked all the way to metro station, and then took a metro to Raidurg. Simple, budget-friendly, and full of memories. So that's my Charminar and Mecca Masjid vlog. Which place in Hyderabad should I explore next? Tell me in the comments. If you like this video, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to The Honest Yatri. More adventures coming soon. Until then, keep traveling and stay curious.